Do you really think Excel or Google Sheets are just for basic calculations? Think again. Today, I'm gonna give you 4 quick formulas that you can use either in Excel or Google Sheets to manage time and dates. This is part 10 of Back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets. Congratulations if you got this far. Consider yourself an intermediate in Excel or Google Sheets. When you use today, it's going to show today's date. I use that a lot whenever I'm comparing some date that I already have in my document to today. Now, important to note that today is only going to show you the date. If you need the date and the time of right now, you are going to use now. Both today and now will refresh anytime that your data in your spreadsheet is refreshed in either Excel or Google Sheets. So it's very important. If you want to keep that value for future reference, you should copy the value of the cell after using the formula and paste as a value. The next 2 formulas are for date and time, and they're called date and time. Say I have the date in a cell, the month in a different cell, and the year in a third cell. We're going to use the date formula to concatenate all of those 3 values into an actual date that Excel or Google Sheets will understand as a date. And then time does exactly the same thing as date, but with time. Let me know which one's your favorite in the comment section.